In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an Instagram agent in N8N and turn your workflow into a social media automation system. First, make sure your Instagram account is set to a business or creator account and connected to a Facebook page. Then go to Meta for Developers and create a new app. Enable the Instagram Graph API and generate your access token and account IDs. Next, open N8N and create a new workflow. Add a trigger node such as a schedule trigger or webhook trigger depending on when you want your Instagram agent to run. Now add an AI agent node and connect it to an OpenAI chat model. This will allow your workflow to generate captions, hashtags, and content ideas automatically. You can also add memory if you want the agent to remember previous posts or context. After that, add an HTTP request node. This is where you connect to the Instagram Graph API. Using your access token, you can create and publish posts, retrieve insights, or manage content through API calls. Now define your AI agent's behavior with a system prompt. For example, instruct it to create engaging Instagram captions, suggest hashtags, and write content in a modern, brand-friendly tone. Run a test to make sure everything works correctly. Check if the AI generates content properly and if the API successfully communicates with Instagram. Once everything is working, activate your workflow. Your Instagram agent will now automatically generate content and interact with Instagram based on your setup. And that's how to add an Instagram agent in N8N Connect the API, configure your AI agent, test your workflow, and automate your social media content creation.